No one wants to be in an accident, and Ford's pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking and post-collision braking can help avoid a crash or, in the worst cases, reduce the severity of one. It's all part of the Ford Copilot 360 suite of electronic driver aids. How does it work? Starting with pre-collision assist, cameras will detect objects in front of the vehicle that could pose a risk. If a crash is imminent, a warning light and sound will activate in the cabin. If no action is taken by the driver, the automatic emergency braking will pre-charge the brakes and increase brake assist sensitivity to provide full responsiveness when the driver does brake. If there is still no driver input, the brakes come on automatically. If a crash does occur, post-collision braking steps in, locking all four wheels to keep the vehicle from rolling to help reduce secondary collisions.